Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and here on YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote. Which product is your favorite? Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Let's talk about the products. First product up, Kenra Triple Repair Split End Mending Serum. Size of this is 1.7 ounces and it does cost around $27, but that's only because it's in a kit. Yes, I only found it in a kit, so it comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and then this, $27 altogether. Now for the pros out there, you can find it individually by itself at pro stores, but that's just a travel size. The regular size though, everyone could get it. Regular size is 6.5 ounces and costs $25. Ulta/Target and Amazon. Amazon's pretty good. And just want to mention, if you go to Kenra's website, you can purchase it there. You click on it and it just shows you Ulta, Amazon, and all the pro stores that do sell it. Also, you can find it at salons if your salon sells Kenra, or sometimes at an independent beauty store.
You got options.
No expiration date, but it is cruelty-free and conscious beauty at Ulta. This serum seals 90% split ends in just one use. Says so right here on the bottom. This one says with each use. It should protect you from environmental stressors like pollution or thermal damage, and it reduces frizz and should provide humidity resistance up to 72 hours. As for thermal protection, it should protect you from heat that is up to 450 degrees. But of course, it is for all damaged hair types.
Oh my god, what is that?
It has cetyl alcohol, glycerin, phenoxyethanol, oat peptide, and fragrance and perfume. Which is very interesting actually. Can't put my finger on it, but it smells fruity. Yes. Looks creamy and milky. Ooh, look at that. It smells good. I like it. Almost like a gummy bear scent. Just a fruity scent. And of course, try to avoid the eyes, for external use only, and of course, if anything happens, stop using it, test it out. Okay, so let's try this baby out. Now, you are supposed to use it after you shower. I did shower, but I'm all dried up now, so I'm gonna just wet it. Well, it's still a little... Okay, well, we're gonna re-wet it, and then we're gonna try it. Yeah, so here we go. I'm only going to wet it from mid to ends because that's literally in the directions to put the product from mid lengths to ends. So here we go. And you don't want to oversaturate it. They just say have damp hair. So I say 80% dry. That's pretty good. So again, remember, shampoo, conditioner, step out of the shower when you're all done, dry it a little, and then go in with this baby. Okay. Now, since I'm only doing one side of my head, I'm not going to go in that much. Probably just this much with a lot of product. The smell is delicious. You can really smell it. And really focus it on the ends, of course. Especially split end menders. Okay, and then we're going to let it dry. The other side, I'm going to use the other product, but that's pretty much it. Really easy, not too hard. Next product we have Virtue. Another little small sample size here. Definitely a sample size. Tiny. It is Real Science True Beauty Damage Reverse Serum. This is 0.5 ounces. Again, I bought it in a little pack of travel size with a shampoo, conditioner, and then the serum. Very nice. The kit is around $40, and the regular size of it is 1.7 ounces, and that is $60. Yes, everybody, $60 for same size as this one, the travel 1.7 ounces, $60. Yeah, that's the regular size. Shell-shocked. I'm shell-shocked. Well, it must be good, right? Can be purchased at virtuelabs.com, Ulta/Target, Sephora/Kohl's. Sephora, though, I believe, is online only. And, of course, Amazon.
Pretty good.
Should last you around 12 months. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, free of synthetic colors and dyes, and it is gluten-free and cruelty-free, but of course, vegan. This leave-in treatment can instantly repair, and it will forever protect. Forever. Should be forever. This product should revolutionize hair repair. How, you might ask? By not only instantly repairing existing damage, it should repair any future damages. Protecting before anything should happen, basically. Fight that future damage. It is packed with the highest percentage of hair-identical protein. Keratin, basically. This one is called alpha keratin. Right there. 60 KU. It's all right there. So basically the serum instantly repairs severed bonds that should be giving the hair its strength. It naturally restores damaged peptides and gives hair elasticity and refills each strand with keratin to smooth, soften, and protect from any future damage. So getting into a little bit more of the alpha keratin ingredient in here. Where's my glasses? It is a whole keratin protein that is derived from human hair. It is also identical to skin and nails. And that gives it power to bind directly to damaged areas and repair unlike anything else. So it is the first of its kind in hair care. So they say. There is also something called pea protein, PEA, pea protein in this. That is packed with phytonutrients. It helps protect hair from daily styling and, of course, even thermal heat damage. It also has trilamella mushroom. That is what helps hydrate and retain moisture. And now, it also has solar protection complex. Wow. No wonder you're $60. That should protect your hair from any aging, drying, and color depleting effects of light exposure. Interesting. Let's get into the fragrance now. Okay, so we're going to get into the fragrance. Be careful when you guys open this, by the way. It spills a lot real fast. Just, I think because I usually hold it like this, right? Everything was on the bottom, ready to just burst out. So, that happened. Another interesting smell. Reminds me of like, I want to say like products from a hotel room. You guys ever go out to vacations and the products have a different smell than your regular products at home? Yeah, that's what it reminds me of, like I'm on vacation. So they themselves say it is a rich, nurturing blend of creamy coconut. I can smell that. And tropical yuzu extracts. Interesting. That's probably why I mentioned vacation, because it's tropical. Wrapped in warm woods.
Wow.
It's nice. I like it. There are some clinical studies of continuous use of this product. So you have to consistently keep using this to actually see the results. As of any other product, they even provide us with a picture of like what happens after 1 use and then after 5 uses. Pretty cool picture to look at. So they say 98% of the split ends repair instantly. Also provides cuticle to cortex hair repair. Hair is instantly more resistant to any breakage and of course fights future damage. As mentioned, thank you for reminding us again, Virtue. Now, cool thing about this, I can use it on dry hair. Of course, if you like, shampoo, condition, and then after you shower, 80% dry your hair. And then you could use this product on damp hair or dry hair. So we're going to use it on dry hair. I'm again going to do just mid-length 2 ends. And they also mentioned to use a quarter size amount. I'm going to use less because, of course, I'm only doing half of my head. Okay, here we go. I guess I could use a little bit more. There we go. I want to say it's as creamy as the other product. Probably a little bit more on the watery side. Yeah, more watery looking. So it comes out a lot faster, easier, just slips right out. So just be careful. And of course, I'm going to focus a little bit more on the ends. And we're done. Okay, we're going to get into the results. First, we do TikTok. And then we're going to get into what you guys vote for here on YouTube. So, TikTok first. Here we go. And on TikTok we have boom! Hey, 50-50. What? 50-50. They both won. Congratulations to you both. 50-50. Woohoo! Alright, now let's get into the YouTube results. Alright, here we go. And the winner is boom! Kenra 67%. Hey, Kenra 67%, and Virtue is 33%. Wah wah. So then Kenra takes the lead. Hey, congratulations, Virtue. So sorry. But Kenra, yes, you are the winner. Yeah, doing it all the way. Okay, so let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Did you like Kenra? Do you agree with the results, or do you like Virtue? I actually got something in the mail from Virtue. It was really weird. It was like an advertisement. It says to anybody in the residence. I was just not expecting it. I don't know. But yeah. So, have you tried Virtue? I really wanted to try it since I got that thing in the mail. So I was like, why not? Let me go try it. Went to Ulta, got it. Here we are trying it. And then Kenra, of course. I've had Kenra products before. This is almost new. I would say like probably 7-10 months. They just came out with this new packaging. Usually they look all silver or gray looking. Now they have this pop of yellow color on them. So that was interesting. I definitely didn't even recognize them, to be honest, because I was expecting the gray look. And I was like, oh, this is Kenra. Kenra with the gray, with the silver, the really professional looking. Now they got the pop of color. How do you feel about that pop of color? I don't know. Anyways, let me know which product you liked in the comments below, and I will feature you in next week's video. We do have a feature from one of our videos. Yes. This is from the You Voted Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Cleanser versus Tula Skincare. Yes, go ahead. Watch that video after this. This is from Kelly Brown 6963. They say, I love P&L, that's Peach and Lily. I want to try Tula because they are $15 this week. Hey, that's actually probably a really good deal. Yes, that actually reminds me. There's going to be a bunch of sales coming up. Christmas time sales, those box sets like these ones that I just got. There's going to be a lot of things going on, promotional sets, things like that. So this is your chance. Go ahead, watch any of my past videos. Pick something you guys might want to try, like the Tula, and I'm sure there might be a sale. I know Sephora is having like their 15% off, 20% off, their Insider Beauty sale. I know that's coming up. Yeah, so lots of things for Christmas time. Oh, Amazon always has like actually we just missed one. They had something, what else? Thanksgiving sales coming up. So keep an eye out on any of those sales. Get the discounted price of these items if you are trying them for the first time. I highly recommend you guys doing that. Save some money where it needs to be saved. And yeah, that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys all next week. Keep on loving the makeup. Keep on rocking. And bye.